Real estate is a non-stop business. People are always buying and selling homes for many reasons. Unfortunately, not everyone has an enjoyable experience. Stay tuned and I'll give you some tips on how to make your home buying experience a good one. Hi, I'm Kelley Knitz of the Kelley Knitz Team. After being in the real estate business for almost 30 years, I've learned that there are two ways to buy a home, the hard way and the easy way. I'm going to walk you through the easiest way to buy a home. First, get your finances in order. Make sure you have a sufficient down payment and know what payment you can afford and have been pre-qualified for by a mortgage company, reputable bank, or credit union. This can avoid a lot of headaches when you find the home you want. Next, know the type of home you want and where you want to live. Are you upsizing or downsizing? Do you want to change communities or stay near where you currently are? These are important considerations and can be a source of stress and confusion if you aren't sure what you want. Next, hire an experienced agent. All buyer's agents will work for you for the same price, free. They are paid out of the proceeds of the sale from the seller's company. It's called a co-broke. So why not hire the best one you can? An experienced agent can help you manage expectations, find the perfect property for you, and help negotiate the best price and terms possible. And finally, be prepared to move quickly when you find the home you want. With your finances already set and the confidence that you've found the best possible home for you, you can move forward confidently without hesitation. As you can see, with proper preparation and planning, you can eliminate a lot of the stress points in finding a home, allowing you to focus on what's important for you. I'd like to thank you for allowing me to share this information with you today, and I hope you found it useful and helpful. If you did, please click the like button, and if you'd like to see more videos as we create them, click the subscribe button, and you'll receive notices as we add them to our channel. And finally, please leave them, if you have any comments, please leave them in the comment section below or questions, and we'll send you the answers back as soon as we can. Thanks again for watching.